Good morning, students. Hope all of you are understanding your classes, main subject classes in Microsoft Teams and Google Classroom assignments. Regarding the class 8 last video, we discussed about the how to create the basic formulas. So we done the total using the basic formulas. Today we'll discuss about how to create formula using compound formula and using range as a formula. Then after we'll discuss about types of references. Based on that, we'll go for activity. Based on compound formula and based on the ranges as a formula, we'll have one activity. Next video, I'll upload the different types of references. Yeah, using compound formula. What is this using compound formula is? Compound formulas are used when you need more than one operator. Yes, आप लोग जो किया था पहला एक्टिविटी में उसमें तो सिर्फ एक ही ऑपरेटर दैट इज इन प्लस इज यूज्ड. That is addition. Let us calculate simple interest using P into R into T by 100. This is the simple interest formula everyone know. So they where involves it involves the multiplication operator and division operator. Right here the given principal interest, the simple interest जो formula है, that is B8 will be what B5 into B6 into B7 by 100 होगा. ठीक है, देखो into मतलब star, so it is called as a compound formula. It is called as a compound formula. Star sign for the click, and after again star, okay, divided by 100. This way we can calculate the compound formula using the compound formula more than two operators involved, that is multiplication and division. Clear? This cell B8 displays the calculated result of simple interest. Yes, differently it will display the result of simple interest. Note that result appears in cell, but the actual formula appears on the formula bar. फॉर्मूला बार में तो रिजल्ट तो आएगा सेल में, बट आपको जो फॉर्मूला है वो फॉर्मूला बार में दिखेगा. To enter or modify a formula in a cell, you can also press F2 after selection of the cell. Yes, using text formulas. Before discussing the text formulas, I'll go for the. We'll have some activity, that is C. Principal P. Principal amount, rate, time, amount. Okay. See, principal 1 lakh, rate of interest 12%, time 2 years. What's the formula? D principal value is in cell D5 into shift 8, that is again into selecting that cell D6, shift 8, the time 2 divided by 100. Okay, amount that you got D5 into D6 into D7 by 100. So now you see here, I think from this activity you are able to see how this value in the cell is changing, and you will able to see entire formula, whatever formula we done in a D8 is denoted in the formula bar. देखो D8 का जो है वैल्यू है 24,000 है, उसका फॉर्मूला बार में ये दिख रहा है. क्लियर क्लियर. प्रिंसिपल, time, rate and time. Clear? This is about the compound formula using text as a formula. Let's see next one. Using text as a formula. Using text as formula, how to add the text. Okay, that is, we can perform addition on characters string data type. Yes, we perform addition on character string data type. Except for addition, other operations like multiplication, subtraction, division, etc. are not allowed. Only addition is allowed. That is for merging of the strings. We use the symbol AND for addition. So addition के लिए we will use the symbol AND. Follow the steps given below. Enter two string types values in a cell A1 and B1 से kips करके लिखा था and kips education करके लिखेगा, तो then it will press C2 करके AND करके formula लिखेगा. So formula or function should always start with equal to sign. Clear? Enter the formula. Enter the formula, that is A1 and B1 in cell C1, then you will get the merged values of the two strings, that is KIPS India. See the values. Yeah, clear. Now let's see this also one example. Yeah, see, Sainik School, Purulia. Purulia. Now, Sainik School is in cell B4. Sainik School is in cell B4, and Purulia is in cell C4. Now, select the cell B4 and C4, and I'll get Sainik School Purulia. देख रहे हैं? Clear? Clear all of you? So that is about the text form. This is about the text formula. Especially it is used in the editing of your first name and last name के लिए ये use होता है. This is about text formula. Next one, using range as a formula, that is will display keeps in India and LLC. Okay. Now note point, addition on string type data means placing one value after another. Placing one value after another, that is addition. So using ranges in formula. So how to use the ranges in the formula? You can assign multiple cells to formula by creating a references or range. So multiple cells or references के लिए range use सकते हैं. Range saves a lot of time, especially. So आप लोग जो addition जो first activity में किया था, that same thing also we can do. But if the number of cells are more, then we go for the concept called range. Range is a rectangular area consisting of group of cells adjacent to each other. It can be an entire worksheet as well. Okay, using ranges in formula. Example, let's see, go for example, if you want to calculate sum of columns or rows, it is always better to define a range. Okay, एक साथ में अगर ऐड करना है तब तो रेंज में यूज कर सकते हैं. Type the data as given as below. Click on the cell B1 and type the formula sum B4 is to B9. So that is the range of that particular function. Clear? This is the range. So that rather than adding B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7 plus B8 plus B9, we can write simply using the range. That is using the particular function, that is sum function. That's first from starting cell to last cell. Okay, first and last. Similarly, calculate the sum on cell C1 also. Sum C1, that is जो है expenses का जो है, that is C4 से C9 तक allocate कर सकते हैं in the cell C1. So formula जो है इधर लिखा हुआ. Clear? Types of cell references. Before that, I'll discuss the that is ranges. We'll discuss January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, 6 months का डेटा जो है 50, 45, 52, 51, 52. Now जो ये जो जनवरी का जो एक्सपेंडिचर है वो 50, 45, 52, 51 ऐसा करके दिया था. If you want to add these details, then what will be the normal general formula? If you go for basic formula, that is from C11 plus C12 plus C13 plus C14 plus C15. So rather than that, if I use the range as a formula, sum starting cell is 2, that is last cell, that is C16. Okay, now close the data, enter. It is relax. Clear? Relax. Well, you get that data using the range as a formula. Clear? Clear all of you? Okay, next we'll go for the types of cell references. Very important concept, and the Excel functions very useful for your whole life whenever you are working with the Excel or spreadsheets. Types of cell references, please note very clearly. There are types of cell references here. Yeah. The cell address in the formula is known as the cell reference. Yes, the cell address जो है, that is a mix of the column and the row, that is known as the cell reference. The cell address is known as simply cell references. With references, you can use the data in different parts of the worksheet. You can use the different parts of the worksheet. You can use it for the different parts of the worksheet. There are mainly three types of cell reference. That is, first one is relative reference, second one is absolute reference, and third one is mixed reference. Okay, so we'll go for the relative reference. First one is relative reference, second one is absolute reference, third one is mixed reference. So today we'll discuss about the relative reference, very important, which is useful for you. Everyone know most of it, but it is ये type of reference करके आप लोग का भी पता चल जाएगा. When you create a formula, references to a cell or ranges are usually based on the position relative to the cell. Yes or no? Yes, position जो है वो जो particular cell का है उसको copy करना. So when you copy or move the formula to other cell, the reference cell automatically gets changed. Yes, तो सम फंक्शन है मैं अलग सेल से कॉपी कर रहा हूँ तो वो जो फॉर्मूला ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज हो जा रहा है, सो दैट इज नथिंग बट रिलेटिव रेफरेंस। सो फॉर एग्जांपल अभी देखो इफ द फॉर्मूला A3 इज A3 में जो है A1 प्लस A2, देन अगेन उसी को अगर मैं ट्रैक करूंगा तो B1 प्लस B2 हो जाएगा। देखो द फॉर्मूला विल बी B1 प्लस B2। देख कैसे आएगा, देख B1 प्लस B2 हो जा रहा है, देखा है, देखा है? So when you copy or move the formula from one cell to another cell, if the formula will automatically changes, then the type of reference is called as a relative reference. Again, I am telling, when you copy or move the formula from one cell to another cell, if the formula gets changed automatically, then it is called as a relative reference. Clear? Now, it is simply quite opposite of the absolute reference. When you copy or move the formula, if you don't want to change the cell address, then रिमेन्स इन द फॉर्मूला, तो तब तो एब्सोल्यूट रेफरेंस, मतलब जब भी आप लोग कॉपी करेगा मूव करने से वो फॉर्मूला अगर नहीं चेंज नहीं करना है तब तो वो कॉन्सेप्ट को कहते हैं एब्सोल्यूट रेफरेंस। सो इन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट विल सी अबाउट द रिलेटिव रेफरेंस ओनली। सो फॉर एग्जांपल वी गो फॉर द रिलेटिव रेफरेंस कॉन्सेप्ट। सी हियर अंडरस्टूड। देखो अगेन जनवरी में पर्सन ए करके मैं लिखूंगा, ठीक है, पर्सन बी का सैलरी देख देता हूँ 25,000, 62,000, 32,000, 28,000, 69,000, 45,000. So now, so in this formula, if you got, we return the cell. Some, for example, I am changing this formula. It is equal to C11 plus C12 plus C13 plus C14 plus C15, ठीक है, that's C16. Now I change it to normal basic formula. Now if I copy this formula, see it is changing to D11 से D16 तक change हो जाएगा। देखो देख रहे हैं, so that is D11, इसमें देखें खुलने से पता चला D11 plus D12 plus D13 plus D14 plus D15 plus D16 is nothing but it is a concept of absolute reference. It is nothing but concept of absolute reference. Okay? Sorry, relative reference. This is called as a relative reference. When you copy or move the formula from one cell to another cell, if the formula gets automatically changed, then the type of reference is called as a relative reference. When you copy or move the formula from one cell to another cell, if the formula gets not changed, then the type of reference is called absolute reference. We will see the absolute reference activity in the next class, next video. Okay, now you understand up to this concept. I think when you copy or move a formula from one cell to another cell, if the formula gets not changed, then that concept is called as a absolute relative reference. Absolute reference का बारे में डिस्कस करते एक बार देखते हैं। एब्सोल्यूट रेफरेंस विल डिस्कस। ये जो एग्जांपल आप लोग को समझ में आया होगा, देखो। ओके, follow the steps, okay. So select the cell B1 B11 in which formula is M B4 is to B4 B9, okay, and drag that formula, then it will change to C4 is to C9. Click the copy button and it moves automatically. Copy that formula, then इधर copy करो, paste करो, सीधा change हो ही जाए। देख रहे, formula gets changed. Note that C11 has the cell reference from C4 is to C9 instead of B4 is to B9. Clear? That is the concept of the relative reference. The easiest way to define names for cells is to click on the name box at the left end of formula. Type a name of the range and press enter. Type the name of the range. Absolute reference. You see absolute reference. What is absolute reference? You see absolute reference. It is simply quite opposite. When we don't want to change the formula or address of the cell, copying the formula from another cell. When we don't want to change the address or copy formula of the cell from one cell to another cell, then we use the concept called absolute reference. To make an absolute reference of formula, add a $sign before the column and row number. It's a very important. To make absolute reference of a formula, add a $sign before the column and row number. So dollar A, dollar one, that is before row. That is A is a column and one is a row. That is dollar A, dollar one plus dollar two. देखो डॉलर ए प्लस ए अगर इसको कॉपी करके पेस्ट करने से सिंपली इट विल रिमेन एट द एब्सोल्यूट रेफरेंस ओनली, मतलब वो फार्मूला जब भी कॉपी करो वो डॉलर करके दिखेगा. To get the total adjacent of cells, press Alt plus is equal to key combination instead of clicking auto sum button. Let us calculate the incentive at the rate 10% on monthly sales. Incentive जो 10% है monthly sales में देखते हैं. Type 10% in cell D1. Okay, D1 में 10% करके लिखेंगे, ठीक है. Then incentive करके जो है incentive amount करके लिखेंगे. So they are writing सी P4 is dollar B2 D1 करके दिया था. So it is pressing enter. Okay, D4. So इसका बारे में एग्जाम्पल हम लोग करेंगे. देखें, we'll have one example on absolute reference. Is product price discount करके लिखेंगे. Discount 15%. 15%. Okay, 15%. 10% amount. Price after amount after discount. Amount after discount. Amount after discount. Amount after discount. Let us see. Sir, product skate price 15. Chocolate price 20. Honey 200. Ice cream. Now discount, amount after discount, that is amount जो है, so that is will calculate on the price only. That is जो 15 है, इसको ऊपर में I have to calculate the dollar, that is symbol, that is dollar of cell D, that is D19 and D9 dollar D19. Okay, now you got amount after discount, discount amount, sorry, discount price. Okay, this discount जो है, so that 15% is common on every product. I am simply copying the formula. Clear? Copied this discount. Final amount after discount. After discount. That is what will be the answer. So C4 C21 minus discount को करने से we will get the final rate amount. So then we can copy simply the formula. Yeah, this now you got C. Okay, this is the absolute reference. Here the हम लोग absolute reference concept use किया, that is जो D19 है, D19 is common for every product. अगर मान लो मैं D19 करके बिना डॉलर का अगर लिखेंगे तो it will change to D20 D21 ऐसा करके चेंज हो जाएगा. सो D19 को अगर फिक्स करने के लिए हम लोग डॉलर साइन यूज कर सकते हैं. ये टाइप ऑफ रेफरेंस को कह सकते हैं एब्सोल्यूट रेफरेंस. इसको कहते हैं एब्सोल्यूट रेफरेंस. इसको कहते हैं एब्सोल्यूट रेफरेंस. क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? इन दिस क्लास टुडे वी अंडरस्टूड how to create the compound formula and how to create the range as a formula and how to create the text as a formula and different types of references. We covered the relative reference and absolute reference. So simply that relative reference and absolute reference difference is that reference is nothing but cell letters. Reference means relative reference is when you copy or move a formula from one cell to another cell. If the formula gets automatically changed, then it is called as a relative reference. Or absolute reference, that is when you copy or move the formula from one cell to another cell. If the formula gets not changed, then the type of reference is called absolute reference. Clear? When you copy or move the formula from one cell to another cell, the formula not gets changed, then it is called relative reference. When you copy or move the formula from one cell to another, if you want the formula gets change, not change, then it is called as absolute. Changed to relative, not changed to absolute. Clear? वही याद करो. Okay. Clear all of this is the activity. This is the activity on. Please do these activities. Okay. Please do this activity. This is activity on absolute reference. Absolute reference. Absolute reference. ये जो है relative reference. Relative reference activity. ये है text formula. Text formula. ये जो है compound form. Compound form. ठीक है? So all of you understood? This is the text formula. Compound formula. Please do these activities, all of you, in your Excel sheets. Okay. You make your own and you do your activities. Okay, all of you boys. Hope all of you understood. So I'll upload one assignment on these types of references and formulas. Please do assignments in the Google Classroom. Hope all of you understood. Okay, next video we'll discuss about the mixed reference and different functions available in the different functions, the range functions which are available in the Excel. Hope all of you got about the formulas and ranges. Now in next class we'll discuss about the functions. Okay, so stay safe, stay home, stay prepared. Thank you boys. Thank you. Signing off.